One of the cool little tools that's been around for quite a while that allows you to insert a Bible verse on a web page or a blog post and have it pop up the reference without you having to type it in. It's called Reftagger. You can see the behavior here as I'm hovering over the passage from Deuteronomy 5:12. A little box pops up that has the information for me. I can click and go to biblia.com and see the text. I can share it from here, Facebook, Twitter, Google+, etc. It's actually very easy to add to your website or to your WordPress blog or other things. As you can kind of see here, there's pretty easy instructions. I'm going to show you a couple of methods to do this. First of all, kind of the more manual effort that you can use if you're just using a regular HTML page. It's really quite simple. You can see the code is right here, and you can set what version will be the default. So I'm going to pick the New International Version, and you can even pick the style, light style or dark style. I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to copy this script tag. I'm going to hit copy. Then just to demonstrate how to set this up in a regular web page, I'm going to go to a cool tool. It's called Plunker, plnkr.co is the website, and it just allows you to quickly test out some HTML code or JavaScript code. So a couple ways to add the code. Now I've copied that script tag, and I'm going to first of all just put in a Bible reference. So I'll put in, let's say, Ephesians 2 verse 23. And so that shows up here, and you notice that this is just a regular text phrase here, Ephesians 2:23. What I'd like to do is have that use Reftagger so that when I hover over it, it'll show what Ephesians 2:23 is. So I'm going to go over here, and the directions said just put that script tag as the last item before the closing body tag. So I'm just going to paste that in. So there's our script tag. And you notice over here in the live preview, immediately Ephesians 2:23 pops up. And you can see that now that the Reftagger kicks in, and I have the ability to both read the text, but also to go to the website where I can see more Bible verses as well as share that. So very simple. I could have actually put the script information in the JavaScript file because Plunker makes that very easy to do. I'm just going to delete this out of here, and you'll see that the text on the right updates. Ephesians 2:23 is no longer have the Reftagger applied to it. But if I go to the script file here, just going to paste that same code in. Now here I don't need the script tag itself, so let me get rid of that. I just need the JavaScript itself. And as soon as I do that here in the live view, I have the exact same thing. So very easy to add to just a regular HTML page. And you could do this with things like Final Web if you have that in your congregation, just adding this to the HTML view. I'm going to demonstrate on my own blog how easy it is to get Reftagger installed. Now here with WordPress, you do this through plugins. So I'm going to go into my plugins section, and I'm going to click Add New. I'm just going to search in the library here for Reftagger. And the first one that will appear is the one that we want from Logos Bible Software. Now it says it hasn't been updated in 3 years, and that's a little bit concerning. It doesn't seem to be well maintained, but it does work. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Install Now. And it says it's installed, and then you have to always activate these plugins. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now I'm just going to create a test post. So I'm going to add new, and I'll just create a test here. And I'll put in Ephesians 2:23, just like I did before. and I'll save the draft, and then I'll look at this in preview mode. So let's preview the post with the Reftagger module installed. And you can kind of see there's a little bubble that it pops up here, open in Logos Bible software. But here, same thing happens. It's the exact same code. It defaults here in ESV, and you can configure that as well to do the NIV version as well, right through the plugin tool within WordPress. So that's just an easy way to get your Bible passages to light up so that you can just put the reference in if you want without having to put the entire verse in, and it does it for you.